Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete Reddit history. First of all, open up the Reddit application on your phone. When you are into your Reddit account, tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then, it will show you the Profiles drop-down menu. And from here, tap on the Settings option. Now scroll down in Settings and find Clear Local History. Then tap on that option and clear your local history. Keep this in mind that even after deleting your Reddit history, it might still be accessible through third-party archival services that capture and store Reddit content. Also, if you have shared links to your Reddit posts or comments on other platforms, those links might still lead to the content even after deletion. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.